Hello everyone, I am Mohan Raja. Welcome to my YouTube channel, guys. Today I'm going to share some interesting content. Today we are going to look how to make your money work for you. This topic is you be more familiar with this topic. I think so because you have heard many. You've been heard many lectures or you read in many books. I think so. So in my view, I'm going to share some tips and interesting content for this topic. So let's we move into the content. First of all, we need to clearly understand what is money. Actually, money is a tool for to achieve goals, and also for sophisticated life for future growth we're going to live or want to live. This is the ultimate goal for money. Okay, how to make the money work for you means it's nothing but it's been a control of finances. By using the control of finance continuously, it improves the uh, stability and security, gives you stability and security, which it's ultimately improve, and its ultimate gain, it's going to be a financial independent or financial free. We can earn more money, so we can earn more money, but we are not aware of how to spend it or how to invest, or we have no clear cut idea or vision about it, about how to make the money work for you. So in this video you're going to see the ultimate definition for for this topic. Okay, first you need to know about budget, or learn budget, or create budget, or work for the budget. uh, the goal of budgeting is to track the expenses what you earn. Okay, because whatever we earn, we spend more than what we earn. That is the ultimate living of human nature. So try to manage, or try to calculate or manipulate your expenses, because it's reduce your bad habit in depth. Also you can easily find out where the money goes. In this way you can track your money and where the money goes, and what are the bad financial debts, bad debts we are facing or we having. We can improve our skills by using the learning the depth, or learning the budgets. Then get out of debt. This is the second tips I want to share. Get out of debt is nothing but whatever you paying interest, it is the debt, but you need to convert that. You want to get the interest, like this is the way where the money works, where you get the interest, money works for you and given you the returns. This is the simple tips I like to share in this topic. So this is one content, this is the one way I can explain. Okay, get out of debt, it is not possible at all. Many of you think so. Yeah, of course, I am accepting the truth, but it can be possible for a long time process. It is a long time process, and you need to be more patient, and holding capacity should be there, and critical analysis, and you need to track your budget daily. Even each and every day you need to track your expenses column, and analyze what are the bad debt habits we have. We need to find out and track our expense, where the money goes. Then only we come to the second point of get out of debt. By get out of debt can be done by easily by paying a small debt each and every day, by shortlisting a small debt and paying, and finally we finish the small debt, then move on to another small interest. Then at last we going to fully cover the debt. In this way, small step by step process, you going to clear all the debts. And the third one is nothing but have a emergency savings or emergency funds, because you need to create a ultimate column for emergency funds, which can be high yield saving account you need to have, for example, or for the saving purpose, for a medical purpose, or because inflation is day by day, whatever the inflation, it comes and goes. Like for example, you just seen the COVID crisis, so this type of inflation may occur, so you need to have emergency funds, like future funds, or you need to have some emergency funds you need to save during the period of expenses and profit columns. And fourth one is nothing but save and interest. Whatever the money you earn, save it and interest in a good way, like not a buy sell. In this way you can earn only a small amount of returns. Have a buy thing mindset. You have a mindset of buy and hold it for a long term and sell it. It is not for stock, it is for life aspect, I am saying, because whatever the amount, whatever you invested, have a holding for such period, and whatever the returns you get, again you invested for same investment or other separate other investment, because in this way you can get whatever returns you get, you again invested. Then in this criteria you can see clearly, you can see that whatever you invested, you by after invested you getting the returns, using that returns you again invested. It takes some long term process. In this way you can come to the step of how make the money work for you. I think I clearly explained. Okay, let me clear. Investment sectors, like there are many sectors: stocks, bonds, mutual funds, secure government mutual funds, like real estate, business. In this sector there are many top selection, or there you can just Google it and find out what you are comfortable for, and how what's it's up to you guys. But there are many investments criteria or list or there. Just invest it and make sure that it is a long term, and make sure your returns also been again invested in the section. In this way we finally achieve the how the money works for you comes in real world. So I think this video might useful. If you didn't understand this, please leave it in a comment box below. I can clearly mention what are the investment criteria are there. I can clearly list out for what are the investment sectors, what are the investment types or list of investments. I can make a new video for you in regarding the investment process and investment sectors, what are there. But what I finally conclude by saying is that follow the 4 tips, and finally you achieve the how the money works for you, and you're going to really experience the feelings of how the money is going to work for you. By following these 4 tips, you're going to achieve your dream, guys. So thank you for watching this video. Thank you, friends.